Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Traveller in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get electric sliding side doors, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got full leather interior, the front seats are heated and have massage function, the touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control. The car also features speed limit recognition and blind spot detection. So let's have a look around. This is an 8-seater vehicle. It's got the 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 150 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 4,500 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.